Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, May 15, 2025. Jamaica's cybersecurity apparatus has been bolstered through a comprehensive strategy aimed at prevention, detection, and targeted response. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says cybersecurity remains a priority in the national agenda to drive digitalization and develop robust digital public infrastructure. He was speaking at the official opening of the Guardsman Group of Companies Cyber Intelligence Security Operations Center, SOC, in Kingston on Wednesday.
We understand that digital resilience is national resilience. We are therefore very happy to see the opening of the Guardsman Cyber Intelligence Security Operations Center. It will complement and strengthen the government's own framework. Through our national cybersecurity strategy and the National Computer Incident Response Team, we are building national capacity to prevent, detect, and respond to cyber threats.
Prime Minister Holness underscores the urgency of building cyber resilience, reporting that Jamaica faced at least 43 million cyber attacks in 2023.
Cyber threats are growing in scale and frequency and sophistication, targeting everything from critical infrastructure to privacy. No country is immune and no sector is untouched. Latin America and the Caribbean has seen the fastest regional growth in reported cyber incidents, about 25% annually since 2013. That's how rapidly cyber threats have grown. More than 200 billion attacks or attempts across the region in 2023.
Significant upgrades are to be made to the Overseas Work Program, in particular the Seasonal Agricultural Work Program, SAWP. Minister of Labour and Social Security Colonel Charles Jr. made the announcement Tuesday during his contribution to the 2025-2026 sectoral debate in Parliament. Among the changes is an overhauling of the medical examination process for farm workers travelling to Canada. The new system will be put in place for persons travelling on the program for the 2026 season.
This will be done with the guidance of experts from the Ministry of Health and Wellness, with whom my ministry has already started to communicate. And this will coincide with the planned celebrations of the 60th anniversary of the program being recognized in 2026.
Minister Charles says the change is being made considering concerns raised about the cost and necessity of some of the tests. Meanwhile, the ministry is also strengthening support systems for injured workers through Ontario's Workplace and Safety Insurance Board.
In response, Madam Speaker, colleagues, the Ministry of Labour and Social Security is launching an enhanced injury benefit initiative in partnership with the Workplace and Safety Insurance Board and Heart Trust. This initiative will provide improved compensation and reintegration support for our farm workers, including skills training for those who are injured on the job and unable to return.
These individuals, according to Minister Charles, will now receive benefits equivalent to their Canadian counterparts, and those pursuing self-employment will be supported with financial aid during their transition. In recognition of 60 years of the program, the ministry has launched the SAWP 60th Anniversary Scholarship Program. 60 scholarships, valued at $150,000 each, will be awarded in September 2026 to children of active farm workers pursuing tertiary education, a tribute to their parents' dedication. Still in Parliament, Minister Charles Jr. also announced that the I Am Able app to aid persons with disabilities will be launched in June. He says the tool will revolutionize how persons with disabilities interact with the Jamaica Council for Persons with Disabilities, JCPD, and by extension, the ministry. The initiative is a collaboration with United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF.
Individuals using it will be able to register or to renew their status with the I Am Able JCPD app using mobile phone, simply by uploading their photos of the TRN and other documents that are required. The app also provides real-time updates on the registration process. It reduces the approval time from 30 days to just mere minutes.
Minister Charles says the app will target approximately 25,000 persons and that will give greater access to the disabled community.
The app offers further benefits, including the applications for tax exemptions, grants, and other forms of support at your fingertips. And also, Madam Speaker, a national education campaign will be rolled out by the JCPD to ensure widespread awareness and usage.
According to Minister Charles, persons with disabilities were directly involved in the testing of the app to ensure that it meets their specific needs. And finally, the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining is stepping up measures to prevent the entry of avian influenza, commonly known as bird flu, into the country. Portfolio Minister Floyd Green says they include a multi-layered strategy of enhanced border protection, intensified screening of high-risk imports such as poultry products, live birds and feed materials, along with specialized training for customs and border security personnel.
We do live along a migratory path of several bird species. And as such, our Veterinary Services Division, in collaboration with our international partners, are conducting ongoing surveillance of wild bird populations, particularly in wetland and coastal areas. We're working closely with our poultry producers, large and small, to ensure strict biosecurity practices. This includes controlled farm access, disinfection procedures, proper disposal of waste and dead birds, and regularly health monitoring.
Minister Green was speaking at the opening of the Caribbean Poultry Association's 8th International Technical Symposium in Kingston on Tuesday. He warns that a single case could be devastating to Jamaica's poultry industry and food security.
Our main focus is to prevent the virus from entering Jamaica in the first place. This approach of prevention, ladies and gentlemen, is more cost-effective, humane, and far more sustainable than trying to contain an outbreak after the fact.
The Agriculture Ministry is also reviewing import policies and boosting national laboratory capacity to respond swiftly to potential threats. Minister Green is urging all stakeholders, from farmers to exporters, to follow established biosecurity protocols and report any signs of the disease promptly. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.